Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget allows for debt tracking. Goodbudget is a personal finance app that uses the envelope budgeting method. This system helps you manage your money by assigning funds to different categories, or envelopes. One of the key features of Goodbudget is its ability to help you manage and track debt. The app allows you to create debt accounts to monitor your progress in paying off things like credit card debt, student loans, or car loans. You can set up a debt account and link it to an envelope that you use for your debt payments. As you record payments, the app will track your progress and show you how your debt is decreasing. Goodbudget's debt tracking feature is available in both the free and premium versions, with the free version offering unlimited off-budget debt accounts. This means you can keep a close eye on your debt payoff journey without having to upgrade. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.